Welcome to Techiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on NFS on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, NFS is basically network file system, and to turn it off, you have to just go to your search. From here, just go to control panel and open control panel from the best match. Then just expand this. From here, what you need to do is just go to programs and features. And from here, you're going to see all the apps, but these are not what we're going to work on. Go to the left-hand menu and click on Turn Windows Features On or Off. And after that, you're going to get this window. Just scroll down, scroll all the way down till you find Services for NFS. You can expand this. And from here, you can turn on the administrative tools as well as the client for NFS. Then just click on OK. Then just close all this and just go ahead and restart your PC. And basically that is how to turn on NFS on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.